Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the project in VS Code and confirming Live Server is installed. This ensures the extension can host your site. Once done, open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P and choose Preferences. Open Settings, JSON. You edit workspace settings to avoid global overrides and keep changes per project. Make sure the settings. JSON file shown belongs to the current workspace. This is important because workspace settings are applied when you launch the server for this specific project. Now you modify settings. JSON to set the port, insert or update live server. Settings, port, 5500. You choose a port that is free on your machine. If 5500 is in use, pick 5501 or 8081. After editing, save settings. JSON so VS Code persists the change. Make sure you modified the workspace settings file if you want project-specific behavior. This direct setting tells Live Server which TCP port to bind to when it starts, avoiding conflicts with other services. Finally, start Live Server by right-clicking your HTML file and choosing Open with Live Server or click the status bar button. If the server doesn't start, check whether a firewall blocks the port or another application is already using it. You can run a port check or use Task Manager. If problems persist, change the port value in settings. JSON to another unused number and restart VS Code. This sequence ensures the server binds correctly and your site loads in the browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.